If you are a health-conscious person, there may be many questions in your mind regarding fats we consume. Like, is the amount of consumed fats really matters? Or what should it be for a healthy diet? Focus more on the type than the amount of fat you consume. Because the amount of fat we consume didn't affect weight, cholesterol levels and heart diseases as much as the type of fat does. The carbon-carbon linkage and the 3D arrangement of the fat molecules makes the difference to how it interact with the mechanisms in the body, making them good or bad for health. Fats can be classified into two types: saturated fats having carbon-carbon single bonds and the unsaturated fats having both carbon-carbon single and double bonds. Saturated fats are usually from animal source and solid at room temperature. They are harmful to body if taken in excess, while the unsaturated fats are usually from plant sources and liquid at room temperature. The unsaturated fats are further subclassified as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. They are usually considered good for consumption. It's the structure of fat that makes a fat good or bad. Unsaturated fats are usually good for the consumption, but at times they can be more damaging to health than saturated fats. Unsaturated fats contain carbon-carbon double bond and hence can attain two configurations: trans and cis. Trans fats are stable to heat and also didn't get rancid, but they can change the texture of food and can be more damaging to health due to their incompatibility with the metabolic pathways. Currently, trans fats are banned in many countries and even their little amount isn't allowed. Trans fats form during the process of partial hydrogenation during manufacturing and processing of oils. You can check your oil for the trans fat by looking at the specifications label or ingredients list.
If your oil label mention partially hydrogenated, it means it contain trans fat.
While on the other hand, cis fats are good for consumption.
Exploring further the structure of polyunsaturated fats. Methylated end is called omega end. Omega-3, omega-6, and omega-9 are the subtypes. Omega-3 have anti-inflammatory activity, while omega-6 and 9 have inflammatory effects.
Commonly used vegetable oils such as canola, corn and soybean have the following side effects.
Soybean and canola oil are a good source of omega-3 and 6. Omega-6 is pro-inflammatory, and omega-3 is anti-inflammatory. We need omega-6 in our body to start healing process. There should be a good balance between the two, but vegetable oils are high in pro-inflammatory ingredient omega-6 that cause inflammation in the body. Moreover, the person deficient in omega-3 make it worse by consuming vegetable oils high in omega-6, as inflammation is the root cause of many diseases and chronic issues such as diabetes, and heart diseases. Moreover, vegetable oils have health side effects because omega-3 and 6 degrade during the process of extraction, refining, and decolorization by light and heat, ultimately causing rancidity of oil. The rancid oil goes through the deodorization process before getting sold and is not good for consumption. The use of genetically modified or engineered varieties negatively affect health by disturbing gut microbiome and metabolism. Oxidative stress and free radicals generate due to these oils, in turn more utilization of vitamin E antioxidant increase the risk of cancer. Preferred alternative oils are as follows: from monounsaturated fats, olive oil is 100% trans fat-free oil, but it's not recommended for heating. From polyunsaturated fats, coconut oil and avocado oil is good for use. While for saturated fats, butter is a good source. For further reading, please check these sources. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.